Okay, let's change the position as we've just done. And this time, taking it back onto the left foot, I want you to just slide the leg forwards and then back. Now as you slide forwards, bend this back knee a little bit and then back. So don't you feel any pinch in the hamstring. So forwards and back. Standing right here, heel lifts up. So don't try and keep the heel down. Heel will lift up, bit of balance. Last 3, forwards, forwards. If you want to move your hands, forwards with you, then do. I like to just keep hands on pelvis, just feeling what's going on. And then the other leg. So my right leg, which is now stabilising, steady. You should feel it a bit more awkward. Come forwards and back. So just 3 more, forwards. 2, pelvis nice and steady. And 1. Have a little march out. Still getting the inner thighs there. Take it back to your left leg. If you get wobbly here, you can always use a ball. Otherwise, back on the left leg. This time, the heel is lifted, and you're just going to slide back and come back up. Show you from the side. Slide back and come back up. With the hands, you can either keep everything on the pelvis or have a reach forwards. So you can see I'm not keeping a big square sort of knee. I went a little bit too far there. That's my point there. Any further, and I feel like I'm really dragging the leg in. So you should come out. Don't go too far, otherwise you strain. Yeah? So that's doable for me. And back. Last 2. 1 more. And back. Then to the other leg. So again, heel is lifted. Go slow. Just stay, within your range. So just go back and back. A little bit further. Okay. As I say, go wherever you want with your hands. Keep that balance. If somebody's very wobbly, let's hold the wall. Fingertips. There's a lot of balance within the exercise. Just on a slippy surface. And we do 2 and 3. Oh, too far. You'll know when you go too far. And then back.